Hi, this is WanderAI. We are building a scene agnostic, object goal oriented exploration or navigation of an agent. We are essentially using reinforcement learning to perform this task, hoping that it can adapt and create path tracking to its weights when making decisions. Imagine a red ball in any scene like kitchen or living room scene. The task of the agent is to find object effectively in any given scene, making the search behavior generalized to brand new rooms or scenes. Where this is where traditional LLMs are bad at exploration, and we are hoping a RFT model here can improve path tracking and be effective at generalizing. So um, I would. This is a simple UI where we wanted to demonstrate a simple 2D scene and how a base language model can path track versus how a trained fine-tuned model can effectively path track and demonstrate some difference here. So I would like to start tracking the. So let me start the LLM base. So we are using a geodesic function, which is used to find an optimal path in an object restricted space using mathematical function and time as the factor. This is our reward tool. Uh, the model has three actions essentially: move left, move right, and forward with 30 degrees angle. Um, and as you can see here, the base LLM model is trying to trying to decide the path forward, but it is not really, um, you know, taking a step forward. So here is where I would want to stop the path tracking, and I would want to kind of show how our train model can um, perform this operation. So yeah, coming back to the constraints, we have a scene summarizer that feeds the egocentric scene of the agent using text. We are using episodic training. We had to use currently this is text based fine tuning. Because of the time constraints, training time constraints, we didn't fine tune image language vision model. So as you can see here, the fine-tuned model is effectively path tracking and finding the target object in a scene, and in a generalized manner. Um, this is what we wanted to demonstrate, and we use we for the future scope we want to use the image models for tracking, for taking actions and scale to 3D to detect planar surfaces to determine actionable surfaces, and preferably add a mapping module with memory constraints to create an effective mapping of a scene. Thank you.